All right, YouTube, as you can see, we got the big SVR carbon fiber busting. Got the black Brembos, and as you can see, it's shining and glistening, baby. I'll show y'all the interior, as if y'all don't know what it looks like already. But yeah, I'm gonna get a good POV for y'all boys, and yeah, just stay tuned. All right, so let's do it. Let's hop in the V. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all are new to the channel. It'll be greatly appreciated. I'm not sure who M Tux is, but my guy keep asking for POVs, so I'm gonna deliver. Let me know if y'all got any other like video requests that y'all want. I definitely get it done for y'all boys. But yeah, let's do it. So it's already in sport. Let me know if y'all want the window cracked open a little bit or not, so I can hear the exhaust more. Let me put that right here. Adjust my seat a little bit. Actually gonna turn this air off because turn this air off. All right, cool. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, she popping. Hold on, y'all. Here we go. Sliding and gliding, baby. Looking at it. We in traffic. It's Friday, man. It's feeling good outside. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Keep dropping this fire content. I hope all y'all having a good 2026, man. A little bit of traffic. We good right now. Crispy honey. Oh man, he trying to get over. He holding no traffic on me. Oh, we can go OC. See what else we got in the stash. We're gonna do another 100. We're gonna do another 100. Just in case. In case the first 100 don't wanna work out for us. Do another 100. All right, YouTube. I hope y'all got that last clip. My phone did overheat, but we back. We got 12 behind us, but I'm losing them. We're gonna have to keep this air on for a little bit because, yeah, your boy phone keep overheating. And I really don't like driving fast with driving slow, but you feel me? Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe. Oh my goodness. It's always congested right here. It's all good though. I'm not sure what that squeaking noise is, but it's gonna blow my whole video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. That's gonna wrap up today's video. We got a couple pops for y'all boys. M-Tuck, keep liking the videos, bro. Keep commenting. I appreciate you and everybody else that done stayed this long. And I'll catch y'all boys in the next video. Peace.